Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be getting these curls right. Okay, this wig she needs some love. Okay, she needs some love. So if you're interested in seeing how I get these curls popping, how I get this looking really cute, then make sure you keep watching this video. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video. And now we can get into it. First of all, I do want to say that this hair was sent to me by Nadula hair, and this is, what kind of hair is this? This is their Brazilian deep wave hair in 18, 18, and 20 inches with a 16-inch closure. And yes, I did use this wig in another video. I showed you guys how to make a closure wig, step-by-step beginner's tutorial. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check it out. But today we're gonna get these curls popping, like I said, because they are just looking kind of frizzy, kind of crazy. So let's get it together. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna spray it down with some water. Okay, this hair is really pretty, guys. It's so pretty. I love it. Like, this is honestly probably one of my favorite wigs. One of my favorites. So now that my hair is fully drenched in water, I'm gonna take this Curls Creme Brulee whipped curl cream. This bad boy right here. And I'm gonna just apply this all over. So you're probably wondering why I'm using expensive curls on fake hair. I actually don't really use that on my natural hair, so better to find some use for it than to have it just laying around, you know? I guess I do sometimes use it on my natural hair, but I don't know, I've kind of stopped using it. So, let's see. So I'm just gonna brush out each section with this Denman brush, because y'all know, or maybe you don't know, but now you know, Denman brushes really get those curls popping, okay? You get shrinkage, but your curls will pop. Okay, and now to just get the curls to stay, like to give them some hold, I'm gonna use this Tresemme mousse. I use this on all of my curly wigs. I'm gonna take this much, just kind of rake it through. That's not big, guys. Don't know if you guys can see the difference, but we've got like a little bit of a more natural curl going on right here. Over here, just, I mean, they're still pretty. They're just, you know, a lot prettier over here. So the reason why I don't put the mousse on right after I put the creme brulee in my hair is because I don't want to put too much mousse in the hair. I don't want the hair to get crunchy. You know, I just don't want there to be too much mousse. So that's why I just kind of rake it through the entire section instead of putting it in each small section. You know what I mean? Hope that makes sense. I'm gonna follow up with the same thing, just gonna apply some of this mousse to the section and just rake it through. So now you can either diffuse the hair or let it air dry. I think I'm just gonna let this air dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this air dry. I don't really have time to diffuse. I have other things to do. So I will come back to you guys when it's a little bit drier. All right guys, so this is the final look. Let me get a little closer so you guys can get a close up of the curls. super pretty. I'm hoping that, you know, maybe they stay like this because I'm really trying to go for that wet curl look, you know, but you know how curly hair be, it could grow, but it's fine, it's whatever. It's really pretty when it's dry. You can brush these curls out, but this hair just in general is really pretty. If you're interested in seeing what the natural like curl pattern is when it's like fresh, then make sure you check out the first video that I did on this hair. It'll be linked for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, the links will be in the description box for you, of course. And like I said, this is from Nadula Hair, so thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to mention that the top that I am wearing is from my boutique, selfcenteredboutique.com, so make sure you guys go check it out, make a purchase, support your girl, support a small black business, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you guys check this hair out if you are looking for a pretty little unit. Okay, well, pretty little bundles, because I made this unit myself. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you follow me on social media. My handle is @JanelleSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, if I didn't say that already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.